Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jolene and I love all things personal finance and personal development, which is exactly why I created this 30-day challenge to level up your life. We are on day 6. Today we'll be focusing on health and fitness, and the actionable step is either meal planning or meal prepping. There's a checklist for the entire challenge linked in the description down below, so be sure to download it. Today, I want you to focus on planning and prepping healthy meals for the entire week. I can't emphasize enough that planning ahead is going to set you up for success and ensure that you have better habits and make healthier choices. When you have healthy food in your pantry or in your fridge, you're much more likely to eat healthy food and stay on track to eating healthy. You will have much more energy when you eat healthy food, as well as much more time when you plan your meals ahead. Because you're saving so much time on cooking, this will benefit you in the long run each day. If you don't want to meal prep for any sort of reason, because it's not for everyone, then you should at least create a meal plan. Having a meal plan is super important because it helps you take the decisions out of the equation. So when you're actually planning ahead, you're making the decisions for the entire week, which will help you in decision fatigue. Decision fatigue is when you are physically tired from decisions throughout the day. You actually get physically tired from making so many decisions. So when you don't have to make the decision of what to eat that night, you're actually saving yourself a lot of mental space. Decision fatigue happens because it takes energy to make every decision you do in your life, whether that be what shoes to wear for that day or bigger decisions like what kind of job you want. Decision fatigue is huge. Your brain is always wanting to conserve energy, so this is why it's so easy to make some bad decisions and then continuously make them, such as binging on Netflix or eating junk food. Because it's the easiest decision, your brain is like, yep, that's what I want, even though it's probably not the best decision overall. But you can prevent this by planning ahead or meal prepping, so this is why we're focusing on this today. The simple act of planning ahead, even if it's just writing whatever meal you'll have, is going to prevent one more decision at dinner time. So it'll make your life a lot easier. The benefits of meal prepping are that you're going to be creating a lot more time each day because you're spending one day doing all the planning and all the prepping. You're also creating less of a mess in your kitchen each night, which might save you a lot of time and effort. The other benefits are that you're creating healthy habits. When you have a healthy item prepped, you're more likely to choose that because it's ready to go and it's an easy decision. And lastly, it will save you money. So this will prevent you from ordering takeout or going to the store each night because you don't know what to make. When you're planning ahead, you're usually going to be shopping one day, getting all the ingredients you need for the week, and then making all those things, so you won't have any extra expenses and you'll be able to save a little bit of money that way. I suggest meal prepping at least a few healthy snacks to have in your fridge when you do get hungry, and making sure you have a plan at the very least for the week. If you need any meal prep inspiration, Pinterest or Instagram is the way to go. They have a million different options and something that you'll like for sure. I usually keep things super simple and make a big batch of quinoa or rice and then a lot of veggies and some tofu. I'm not super picky, I don't need a big variety, so that's what I do. I also make a huge batch of hummus for the week and then cut up a bunch of vegetables so that I have them ready to go for healthy snacks during the week. I hope you can start creating some healthy meal prepping habits and that it'll set you up for success for the week. Tune in tomorrow for the next steps. Each day I'll be posting a video for the challenge of the day, so make sure you're subscribed and hit the little bell icon. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 7.
you.